We have a lot of videos talking about 3D and how awesome it is, as well as videos teaching you how to learn and apply these skills. But we never talk about why not to learn it, so that's what we'll tackle in today's video. First, you should not learn 3D if you think you'll master it in like a week. In other words, if you think it doesn't require skill because you're using a computer instead of a paintbrush, you will get frustrated. Like any other skill and art form, it requires time and patience. You'll go through all the learning phases. It's normal your first attempts look like crap. You'll only learn and improve by making mistakes and trying new things. Secondly, if you're not interested in studying new changes and systems, tech in general moves quite fast with its development. Every new Blender version has new features. The last update changed pretty much everything about hair making. Every Unreal update nowadays is groundbreaking. That's not to say that you'll relearn everything every day. Some principles and techniques never change. But don't think you'll learn one thing and never have to study it again. Don't learn 3D if you think you'll make quick and easy money selling assets on Unity or Unreal Store. Yes, you can make money that way, but competition is fierce and you'll need to learn the market to see what products people are into. Asset creation is time consuming, but if you make a product that no one buys, you're just wasting your time. Unless of course you're doing it for fun and maybe to get some extra cash. In that case, go for it. Make whatever makes you happy. If you're already an artist and like your field, whatever it may be, and you feel pressured because of all the awesome 3D artwork you see online, don't fret it too much. Don't learn 3D if you're doing it purely because others are doing and you want to fit in. You'll likely get overwhelmed by the complexity, get frustrated and quit. That's not a fun time. Feel free to get inspired but not pressured. Don't learn any art form if you're afraid of criticism. This is not really a cardinal sin of 3D, but rather a shortcut. The more you expose your work to others and allow them to take it and give you constructive feedback, generally speaking, the better your work will be. If something you did was not up to your expectation and you don't know how to solve it, publish online and ask for feedback. This goes a bit off the hook, but don't let limiting thoughts into your learning experience. Nothing is really easy or simple if you start learning and practicing and don't see results. As stated before, that's normal. Keep practicing. Asking for feedback and keep older projects either online or locally. After some time, come back and compare to your current work. Oftentimes you'll be able to spot what was wrong with the older project because of your new experience. Don't mind the troll comments. If it has no value behind it, ignore it. They are not worth your brain power. Save it to make something awesome. With all that said, everyone should give 3D a try. It's a great creativity tool and it allows for so much exploration of ideas and visuals. Click on this video to see why you should learn 3D. Share your work on our Discord at the description down below. And while you're at it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, this is Sam from 3D here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.